Ito ang kailangan mong gawin upang maalagaan ang automatic transmission mo. During PMS, siguraduhin na inspect ng mechanic or service advisor ang inyong ATF or automatic transmission fluid. Every 40,000 kilometers or 2 years, kadalasan marumi na ang ATF mo. Maaari itong magdulot ng delay engagement, rough shifting, kaya kailangan na itong palitan. Pero, most modern cars are sealed. Walang filling cap, walang dipstick. So what can you do? It is because they are designed to require a special tools like ATF dialysis machine para maiwasan ang owner-induced failure gaya ng incorrect fluid change and contamination. If you want an expert care like this, just send a message and book your appointment now.